Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group. And are you running SharePoint 2016 by any chance? And have you noticed that actually search is broken on SharePoint? If it has, you might want to check to see if you applied the January SharePoint patch KB 4462155. It actually, if you install that patch, that security update for SharePoint 2016, there's a good chance that it will break search on your SharePoint portal. The good news is that Microsoft released another patch, which was released on February 27th of 2019, KB 308536, which actually fixes the problem. We blogged about this with some workarounds in case you can't install the latest security patch. And anyway, if you're having problems with SharePoint search, go ahead and post the link to our blog that gives explanations on what patch to install and some possible workarounds. So again, if you like this content, please click on the subscribe button, and we'll talk to you soon. Happy SharePoint searching, everybody.